Find this bottoming tail that it just left here interesting on NVIDIA. Again, I have the 132 calls.
Order filled.
Okay, I've entered the trade. I get an average fill price of 190 here. Going to see if it breaks the high of the day, which is 130 and 99 cents. I don't think it would be a bad idea to raise my stop loss here to 130 and 27, but I need some follow through here on the upside on this candle. Might have to wait for the 5-minute close here. Just about 1 minute and 10 seconds left before this 5-minute closes. And if it closes above the moving average, which is around 130.23, I'll stay in the trade. I do like what I see so far. I just wanted to close above 130.20. Okay, let's see. Huh? I don't know. I have this 131.5 level, but that's like a pivot on the daily. 133.75? That's pretty far, but okay, yeah, maybe. My main concern right now is it's not really doing the best job of holding above the moving average. This is a doji. I want to see this get above 130.59. Okay, I'm raising my stop here to 129.79. I don't think it needs to go below this level.
Order filled.
Okay, I've exited the trade. I just don't like the way that it's handling this red candle here below the moving average. So I got an exit fill price of 168. This might give another entry, but right now it's a little concerning. I had to find some buyers all the way down here. Okay, I'm watching my charts here on the left, and I'm noticing QQQ is looking pretty strong. So I'm going to give this one more try. I just want to make sure I get in at the right time. I'd like to wait till 1:30.67 approximately, or the 5-minute close here. I'm looking at the 132 calls again. Okay, I'm at enter
Order
now.
filled.
So this time I got an average fill of 198. Okay, I do like that 5-minute close. It might need to pull back just a bit here and test the 130.27 level. And once it starts breaking this pivot, if it does here at 131, I will look to raise my stop loss. The market's looking strong right now. I want to see the market continue. The S&P 500 just broke the high of the day. The NASDAQ is fairly strong, broke out of a channel. And I want to see the volume start to pick up here on NVIDIA. Okay, I'm raising my stop loss here to 129.75. It is struggling, but I think it has the opportunity to move higher once it hits 10 a.m., which is in about 2 minutes now. The premiums are still below my entry price. One of the great things about options, even if you get in earlier with implied volatility and time decay or a theta, you could still lose money. Now I need to see the price action start to move higher, breaking the high of the day, and then ideally heading into 132 here. Okay, I'm raising my stop loss just under this candle here, 130 and 17 cents. Okay, I'm up about 20 cents so far on these contracts. Some profit taking happening here. So it did briefly tag the high of the day, and it's continuing higher, holding above 131. I'm going to watch the premiums here because I'm noticing they're taking a hit on every small retracement of the candle. But I'd really like to get into 132 if it can make it there. Yeah, these premiums are not performing well at all. I think it needs to get to 132 before they start going above 20 cents. Okay, this blue line here is from the daily. It's this pivot right here. I think it's very likely that we break 131.25. Okay, the premiums are at 30 cents now. I'm still holding this because it's still showing me good signs to stay in. Let's see if we can hit 132 today. Premiums are at 35 cents, 40 cents. I'm going to give this a try at 132. 131.50 to 131.75 is an important range. It's a strong green candle on the 5-minute here. Setting up a second green candle here on the 2-minute. Premiums are up 40 cents now. Let's see if we can get to 132. Okay, if price comes down to 131.35, I'm exiting. Come on, NVDA. Let's get to 132. Don't tag me now at 131.35. We're holding above 131.50 here.
Order filled.
Okay, I exited the trade. I got about 30 cents. I had my raised stop loss here at 131.35. It did tag me, so I have to follow my rules here. But it's very likely that it's going to retest this level here at 131. If it finds buyers, it has a chance to move higher to 132, which would be ideally where I'd like to be. But I got to follow my plan here. 131.35 got tagged.